Hello friends, welcome to e-learning platform of Kadi Sharma Vishwavidyalaya. Today I want to give a brief introduction or brief knowledge about the marketing research process. Now we know that what do you mean by research? Simply we can say that research means something new, something better, something which can be solve our problem. So following are the steps which is involved in a marketing research. First one is identification and defining the problem. Second, statement of research objective. Third, planning the research design, or we can say designing the research study. Fourth, planning the sample. Fifth, data collection. Sixth, data processing and analysis. And seventh, formulating conclusion, preparing and presenting the report. Now we can understand one by one. First one is identification and defining the problem. See, the marketing research process start with the identification of a problem faced by the company. If we don't have the problem, we don't require the research. So clear definition of problem help the researcher in all the subsequent research efforts, including setting of proper research objective, the determination of the techniques to be used, and the extent of information to be collected. Second, statement of research objective. After identifying and defining the problem, the next in process is research objective, that is to make a formal statement of research objective. Such objective may be stated in quantitative, qualitative terms, or like a question, statement, or hypothesis. Third one, planning the research design. After defining the research problem and deciding the objective, the next is preparing the research design. We can say that a research design is a master plan specifying the procedure for collecting and analysis the required information. It represents a framework for the research plan of action. The objective of study are included in the research design to ensure that data collection are relevant to the objective. At this stage, the researcher should also determine the type of sources of information required, the data collection method, sampling methodology, and timing, along with the cost of the research. Fourth is planning the sample. Sampling involves the procedure that use a small number of items or part of population to make a conclusion regarding the population. The important question in this regard are: what is to be sampled as a rightly representative lot, which is the target population, all that should be considered in this point. Fifth one is data collection, that is to collect the information to solve the problem. Here, method of market research are essentially methods of data collection. Data can be secondary, that is collected from the concerned report, magazine, and other periodically specially written article, government publication, company, etc. It might be a primary sources, that is collected from the original base through the research by means of various tools. Sixth one is data processing and analysis. Once data have been collected, these have to be converted into format that will suggest the answer to the initially identify and define the problem. Data processing begins with the editing of data and its coding. Analysis of data represent the application of logic to the understanding of data collected about the subject. In its simplest form, analysis may involve determination of the consistent pattern and summarizing of appropriate details. Last one is formulating conclusion, preparing and presenting report. The final stage, or we can say last stage in marketing research process is that of interpreting the information and drawing the conclusion or result for use in the managerial decision. The research report should clearly and effectively communicate the research finding and need not be complicated statement about the technical aspect of the study and research method. We prepare the report in such a way that it can be understood to all the person. Thank you.